Jai Hind students, dear students, I am going to discuss about one very important topic from the coordination compound. This is class 12th chemistry, and I am going to give the explanation about the coordination compound. We will take one example of the coordination complex, and whole information about the coordination compound we will get with the help of this particular example. Okay, so please, if it is required, then please sit with the writing material and note it. Here we will discuss about the hybridization, shape, low spin, either the complex is low spin or high spin, and how will you get the information about any particular complex, that complex, the given complex is the low spin complex or high spin complex. We will see crystal field stabilization energy, and we will write the electronic configuration of the coordination complex with the help of crystal field theory. And after that we will see the spectra, that either the given complex is the colored or colorless, and how we will give the explanation about the spectra, that is formation of the color for the given coordination complex. Everything we will discuss with the help of this example. Means near about half of this chapter we will complete with the help of single example only. Okay, so if you will get any kind of complex, then what is your first duty? Your first duty to find out the oxidation state of this central atom. Dear student, this is the example of the coordination compound or coordination complex, which contain two parts. One is this and second is outside the square bracket. This is known as coordination sphere, and this part is known as ionization sphere. This is according to the Werner theory of the coordination complex. Werner theory told that in the coordination complex we have two parts. One is the coordination sphere and second is the ionization sphere. Ionization sphere which will ionize in the solution, but coordination sphere will remains as it is. It will not give the taste of Fe2 plus R3 plus whatever charge is there and water. Understood? This coordination sphere will decide. It will decide the properties of coordination complex. Means the property of coordination compound will be decided by only the coordination sphere. Is it clear, my dear? Now we will see this coordination sphere only. Means what I have written, according to that, if you will, means Werner's second theory, when it will dissolve in water, then it will ionize and it will convert into FeH2O 6 3 plus 3 Cl minus. So this is what ionization sphere ionize. This is second postulate of the Werner theory. This is coordination sphere, this is ionization sphere. This is and this is both are primary and secondary valency. This is primary valency and this is what? Secondary valency. Secondary valency is also known as coordination sphere. Coordination sphere. Primary valency ionization sphere. Secondary valency, which is also known as coordination sphere. This coordination sphere will decide the shape of the molecule. Shape of the coordination complex. We will see one by one. Okay. Now, how will you get the hybridization? Everything. For that, first you need to find out the oxidation state of the central atom. But wait, what is this thing? My dear, this is the central atom. Central atom. And this is the ligand. Ligand. Understood? Means one more example. Suppose FeCN6. This is Na3. Means what? This is the ionization sphere. Ionization sphere. Outside the square bracket is the ionization sphere. Inside the square bracket is said to be the coordination sphere. Now, this is the part of the ionization sphere. Here, what is this? This is the central atom. This is the central atom, and this is what? Secondary valency. Secondary valency, and this is the ligand. This is the ligand. Understood, my dear? So please note this point. Please note this point, my dear. And this is the coordination sphere, and this is ionization sphere. One example I have taken to explain it. Understood? Now please come. Within 20 minutes, I will try to give whole explanation. Please see, what is the oxidation state of this? Suppose the oxidation state of this ion is X plus how many water? 6 each water. See, this is the water molecule which have no charge, so 0 plus 3 into 1 chlorine with minus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 0 plus this is minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 3. Means here ion exists in plus 3 oxidation state. Clear, my dear? Ion exists in plus 3 oxidation state. So now what is the oxidation? What is the IPSC name of this coordination complex? IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. IPSC name. If you want to write, then please write it. What is ion here? If this is what? Water, and this is chlorine. So hexa ion 3. This is the oxidation state, and here chloride. This is the IPSC name of this coordination complex. Hexa means 6, aqua means water. Hexa 6, aqua means water. Here ion, oxidation state 3. This is chloride. Understood, my dear? So this is the IPSC name of this coordination complex. Now what is the shape? For the shape, wait. According to Wallace-Barr theory, coordination number and hybridization, then shape. Okay, my dear? Please. Coordination number. If coordination number 2, then hybridization is SP and shape is linear. Understood? Wait. Please wait. Everything I will give in one diagram here. According to Wallace-Barr theory, coordination number, then we will tell the hybridization, then shape, then bond angle. Understood, my dear? Please see. If coordination number is 2, if the coordination number of the given complex is 2, then what will happen? Coordination number 2, then hybridization is SP, shape is linear, and bond angle is 180 degree. 3 SP2, here trigonal, planar, and here 120 degree. 4 SP3, tetrahedral, and 109 degree 28 minute. 4 DSP2, square planar, and here 90 degree. 5 SP3D, trigonal, bipyramidal, and 120 degree and 90 degree. Okay, please note it. After that, 6 SP3D2, octahedral, and see how many coordination number? 6. So on the basis of 6, SP3D2, octahedral, shape is 90 degree, and one more 6, then D2 SP3, and here also octahedral, and 90 degree. Understand my dear? 90 degree. But one more problem is there. This is with the weak ligand with a strong ligand. Understood? Now please see. What about it? What about this example? Coordination number 6. Here coordination number is 6. So shape is, so what is the hybridization idea? Hybridization is SP3D2. SP3D2 is the hybridization. Now, if SP3D2, then what is the shape? Shape is octahedral. Why it is SP3D2 not D2SP3? Because here water is weak ligand. So what is the shape, my dear? Fe, H2O, this is just like square. After that H2O. So what is the shape, my dear? Octahedral shape for this coordination complex. Understood, my dear? Now please come. If see here what we have discussed, hybridization, shape, low spin or high spin. So we will see once again same thing. Here iron 26 3d6 4s2. In case of iron 3 plus 3d5 4s0, because we have only 3 electron. After that what will happen, my dear? 3d5 1 2 3 4 5 s orbital, p orbital, then again d orbital. Means this is what? 3d 5 4s0 4p0 4d0 1 2 3 4 5. Here no electron, no electron. How many ligands you have? You have six ligands, 6 water molecules, 6 ligand, 6 coordination number, and each ligand donated pair of electron, that is 2 electron in the vacant d orbital of the central atom. It means central atom accepting the electron. That is why central atom is known as the Lewis acid. Ligands are donating the pair of electrons, so they are said to be the Lewis base. That is another matter. 6 ligands will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. H2O, 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 and H2O. And they will donate the pair of electron. So what will happen? What is the hybridization, my dear? Hybridization is S. See, this is the S orbital. sp3d2. sp3d2 is the hybridization for this, and which we have seen already. So dt here d2 sp3 hybridization, and same is octahedral. Understood? Now see this. What happened here? Unpaired electron. So this is paramagnetic. Dear students, if unpaired electron is present, then the system is said to be the paramagnetic. If no unpaired electron, then diamagnetic. First one, since it is the weak ligand, so outer 4d electrons participated here, so this is said to be outer complex. If is strong ligand, then pairing will take place and inner complex. Weak ligand, then outer complex. Weak ligand, outer complex. And weak ligand, then high spin complex. Understood, my dear? So what is this? This is weak ligand. So outer complex and high spin. Understood? Paramagnetic, outer complex, high spin. Clear, my dear? Now we will see with the help of crystal field theory what is the electronic configuration with the help of crystal field theory, and what is the spectra, what is crystal field stabilization energy. Everything you will see here. Okay, my dear? So please wait. And I told to write these all things. See. You told that for Fe3, 3d5, 4s0. So 3d5, my dear, d orbital. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electrons are present. It will break into 2 parts. T2z and EZ. 5 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is what? This is said to be barium center. And this energy gap is 0. plus 0.6 delta O. This is what? Minus 0.4 delta O. Understood? Now what will happen? It will show the spectra or not. See, vacant orbital is present. This water is the weak ligand. Means what? Electron can jump from T2z energy level to EZ level. That is why it will show the spectra. It will show spectra. Why it will show the spectra, my dear? Due to DD transition. It will show spectra. That is, it will be the colored complex. Why? Because it will show the DD transition. That is, T2Z2 EZ electron will jump, and it will show the DD transition. Understood? Now, what is this? This is d orbital. and d5 orbital. We will see what is the crystal field electronic configuration. How many electron? 1, 2, 3. So P2Z3 and EZ 1, 2 electron. So this is what idea? What is crystal field electronic configuration? This is P2Z3 EZ2. Now we will see what is crystal field stabilization energy. Please note this point. What is crystal field stabilization energy? Crystal field stabilization energy. Crystal field stabilization energy is equal to number of electron in T2Z into minus 0.4 delta O plus number of electron in EZ into 0.6 delta O is equal to how many electrons in T2Z, my dear? 3. So 3 into minus 0.4 delta O plus 2 electrons are present here. 2 into delta, how much? 0.6 delta O is equal to 3 is a 1.2 delta O minus and 6 to the 12 means plus 1.2 delta O is equal to 0. For this complex, crystal field stabilization energy is 0. So this is the whole information about it, my dear. Means in conclusion, you can tell that I have given today the explanation about the weak ligand. What we have discussed? We have discussed about the hybridization, shape, paramagnetic or diamagnetic is magnetic property, crystal field stabilization energy, everything we have discussed. Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day.